Hello friends, welcome back to the Python programming session. In today's session, let's see the difference between list, tuple, sets and dictionary. So what is a list? Lists are ordered data type in Python programming language. It maintains the order in which the items are entered in the list. So in this per example, list 1, we are having 1, A and Python. 1 is the first item, A is the second item and Python is the third item. And list maintain that particular order while printing the when I print lst1 it maintains the same order. So we say list are ordered data type in Python programming language. In tuple, we can say that tuples are also ordered data type. So the way in which we enter the items in the tuple in the same order it gets printed while we print tuple 1. But sets are unordered data type. If we enter the details of the items of the set in one order, it prints it in a random way. So we say sets are unordered data type in Python programming language. Even the dictionaries are unordered. It can change the order in which we have entered the items into the dictionary. And secondly, a list can comprise data of different data types. So in a list we can have a number, a string, a complex number. So it can hold data of different data types. Even tuples hold data of different data types. Sets also hold data of different data types. While coming to dictionary, it holds a key value pair. So we have a key and a value pair. And the third one is lists are mutable. The items in the list can be modified at any point of time. But tuples are immutable. Once created, we cannot change the items in the tuple. We cannot modify the items in the tuple. Sets are mutable because we can add and delete items from the set. But one thing we have to remember is we cannot modify the existing items in the set. We can just add or delete, but we cannot modify the existing set items. Dictionaries are mutable. We can change the value of a value corresponding to a particular key in the dictionary. So we say dictionaries are mutable. Duplicate items are allowed in list and tuple, but in sets the duplicates are not allowed. They are unique. Set items are unique in nature. List items are enclosed in square brackets, tuple in parentheses. Sets and dictionary items are enclosed within curly braces. Now let's look into some of the details. So let me have my lst1 equal to 1 comma 2 comma a comma python, and let me have another one. So now if I say print lst1 and run the code, I get the list in square brackets where items are separated by a comma enclosed by square brackets, and it can hold data of different data type like 1 and 2 are integers, a and python are strings, and it can have duplicate values 1 and 1, so it can have duplicate values. Now this particular thing, let I make it into a tuple 1. So that now I have to change my square brackets to parentheses. And now if I say print tuple 1, it prints it in the tuple format. Sorry, it should be tuple 1. It prints it in the tuple format 1, 2, a, python 1. So even tuples can have, it's enclosed within parentheses. It can have data of different data types, and it can have duplicate values. Now let me say it as a set 1. I'll take a set now, change the curly parentheses into curly braces, And now if I say print set 1, here we see it is unordered. I had entered 1 as the first item and I am getting Python. So it prints it in a random way. So we say sets are unordered data type in Python programming language. And I had entered 1 twice, but it has taken only once. So it takes only one item and it will disregard it takes only one item because set items are unique in nature. So it don't take duplicate items in the set. So while printing a set, it will remove the duplicates and print it only once. And now if I go to dictionary, it has it in the curly braces, but it has a key value pair. It is represented with key and value. Print dict1. Now if I run the code, I get 1 is A, 2 is B. So it is in the key value pair enclosed within curly braces. So we saw that lists are ordered, different data types and mutable. Tuples are ordered, different data types and mutable and immutable. Let us look into it now. So suppose I have my list 1 equal to square brackets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now let me try changing. Mutable means we can change the contents of the list. So let me say LST of 0 equal to 100. Now let me print my LST1. LST1. Now if I print, it says instead of 1, it has got changed to 100. The 0th index is 1 and 1 has changed to 100. So we can change the contents of the list after its creation. So we can say lists are mutable. Now let me make it as a tuple 1 enclosed within parenthesis and now let me say tuple 1 of 0 is equal to 100 and print tuple 1. It gives an error telling tuple object does not support item assignment. So we cannot change the contents of the tuple. We cannot add, we cannot delete or we cannot modify the existing items in the tuple. So we say tuples are immutable in nature. So we saw that lists are ordered, different data types mutable. Tuples are also ordered, different data types, but they are immutable. So this is the main difference between list and tuples. Otherwise both list and tuples are same in all other concepts. Only one point, lists are mutable but tuples are immutable. And now when I go into my set data type, set1 equal to curly braces, and now if I say set1 of 0, if I try to change the first item of the set to 100 and if I say print set1, set object does not support item assignment. So we cannot change the contents of the set, but we can add and delete the items in the set, but we cannot modify the contents of the set. So sets are mutable, but the only thing is we cannot modify the set items, but we can add or delete elements from the set. And one more thing is set does not allow duplicate values. So if I have one more 1 over here, and now if I say print set 1, it takes only once. Even though it has got, there are two ones, since set items are unique, it takes one only once. And one, dictionaries are mutable. So suppose let me take my dictionary, I'll delete this and take my dictionary. Dict1 is equal to curly braces 1 colon A comma 2 colon B. And now if I say dict1 square brackets 1 equal to 100. And now if I say print dict1, so instead of A, the value has been changed to 100. So dictionaries are mutable in nature. We can change the existing values in the dictionary. So these are the important differences between list, tuple, sets and dictionary. So lists are enclosed in square, tuples in parentheses, sets and dictionaries are in curly braces. Sets we can have of different data types, but dictionary it should be having key value pair. So hope so friends, it is clear for you. If you have any doubts, please do reach to me out in the comment section. If you like my video, click on the like button and please do subscribe to get notifications of my new videos. Till then, see you. Bye bye.